Walk into a standard vehicle rental agency, and you will likely see a clerk manually copying details from a driver's license onto a paper form. That manual, paper-based workflow takes an average of 15 minutes to process a single customer. This bar chart comparing standard operational costs reveals a direct financial drain. A typical rental agency loses between $500 and $2,000 annually solely on physical paper, ink, and document storage. Beyond the hard costs, manual data entry requires humans to type out complex alphanumeric license numbers and foreign addresses. This introduces a high risk of transcription errors on legally binding documents, weakening your position if you ever need to file an insurance claim. Tying your intake process to physical paperwork creates a hard mathematical limit on your business. You can only physically serve as many customers in a day as your staff can write up by hand. Once that physical contract is signed, the vulnerability shifts to the document itself. A single spilled cup of coffee or a misfiled folder destroys the only evidence you have of the vehicle's condition at check-in. This analog system creates an operational blind spot. The agent standing at the counter has no immediate way to verify the historical reliability of the person handing them the keys. Without a searchable, centralized database, you cannot identify a repeat customer who previously returned a vehicle with undisclosed damage or disputed a valid late fee. Operating without any customer history means sending $30,000 fleet assets out the door with zero predictive risk assessment. Paperless Rental.app compresses that entire 15-minute manual intake process into a secure 60-second digital workflow. The process begins by using a tablet or smartphone camera to capture a photo of the front and back of the renter's passport, national ID, or driver's license. An integrated AI engine instantly extracts the specific data points, full names, ID numbers, birth dates, and license expiry dates, and routes them directly into the appropriate fields on the digital contract. Bypassing the keyboard completely removes the opportunity for human typos. Every resulting contract is built on accurate data pulled straight from the source document. To finalize the agreement, both the renter and the agent sign directly on the screen. These signatures are cryptographically sealed, meaning they are mathematically locked to the document to prevent any future tampering. The completed file is instantly encrypted and uploaded into a secure document storage system, completely eliminating the need for physical filing cabinets. Because internet connections at rental lots can be unreliable, the platform is built as an offline progressive web app, or PWA. A PWA caches data locally, allowing agents to queue signed contracts during an outage. The moment the device detects a stable connection, the queue syncs to the cloud, formats a PDF, and pushes a summary to the customer's WhatsApp. This architecture transforms a fragile piece of paper into a secure, encrypted record that remains accessible across all your devices. With the document secured, the system applies the same rigorous tracking to the customers themselves, utilizing a built-in customer reputation system to mitigate future risk. This chart illustrates the 5 specific tiers of the system, categorizing every renter as excellent, good, neutral, bad, or blacklisted based on their rental history. If a customer who previously caused severe damage attempts to rent again, the system flashes an instant alert on the agent's screen before the new contract can be initiated. Aggregating past behavior into a permanent profile gives the agency a proactive, automated defense mechanism against bad actors. Scaling up from individual contracts and customers, the software provides a comprehensive view of the entire business operation. This dashboard mockup shows the central command center, where operators can track exactly which vehicles are actively rented, which are available, and which are scheduled for upcoming maintenance. It also tracks the utilization rate, a strict percentage that tells the owner exactly how much of their expensive fleet is actively generating daily revenue versus sitting idle in the lot. High-level visibility allows agency owners to stop reacting to missing keys or late returns and start proactively maximizing the efficiency of their assets. Slashing material costs by thousands of dollars, dropping processing times from 15 minutes to 60 seconds, and blocking fraudulent renters all compound to strengthen the bottom line. Standardizing the workflow onto a digital platform allows an agency to multiply its rental volume without having to hire additional staff to manage the paperwork. Handing a customer a tablet to sign a clean digital contract with integrated, verifiable vehicle damage photos presents the agency as a modern, highly professional operation. Paperless Rental.app operates as the central engine required to modernize, protect, and rapidly scale a rental business.